Hi everyone, welcome to my course on Java server pages. The main object of this course is I want to show you how to build a JSP web application all from scratch. So here's the course roadmap. The first thing we are going to do is learn how to get started with JSP by setting up our development environment. Then we will explore some JSP skipping elements. Next, we will learn how to read HTML from data with JSP. And then I will show you how to manage application status with cookie and session. And then we have a lot of more things that we will add to the course. So a lot of good things coming up in this course for you. Now, one thing about the course is that all of the source code is available for download. So you can download the source code at the beginning, and then you can follow along with the video and review the source code. Or you can write it in all by yourself. If you would like, it's totally up to you. I will present all of good information in this course. Okay, great, a lot of good information coming up here for this course. I'm excited. I hope you are too. We will have a lot of fun in this course, so stay tuned to my channel for the following video. Thank you.